Color is science. It's wavelengths of light. And on the flip side, it's emotion. It makes us feel a certain way. But ultimately, I think it comes down to energy. Red literally makes us feel more energetic, more enlivened. Blue makes us feel calmer. It helps us concentrate. That's the beauty of color. As photographers, we can take control of that to infuse our own work with certain types of emotions to manipulate the audience and make them feel a certain way. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the properties of color. We'll talk about hue, we'll talk about saturation, we'll talk about luminosity. And these are all things that if you've opened Photoshop before, you've probably seen them. You know in a vague sense maybe what they do when you change them, but we're really going to get into the heart of what those things are and how we're going to manipulate them, and you'll be able to control them in your own work. We're going to talk about the literal balance of color, color harmonies, and how colors work together, spatial relationships, and we'll talk about how we see color in context, not in just an abstract sense, but also in the environment and in the real world. We'll go into a studio segment where we're shooting color in the studio in a really literal kind of way. A location shoot, and we'll get into if we're strategic about color in the first place, in selecting our locations, in manipulating our set and our styling. It's a lot less work for us when we do take it into Photoshop, and we'll go through the retouching from beginning to end. I just want you to go out into the world and just see color. Recognize how it's making you feel, how it's affecting you, how it pairs with other colors, because as soon as you start noticing it, it's going to make your work so much stronger in the end.